Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about D-Get formula. What is the D-Get formula? It is also like lookup formula. It is also like VLOOKUP formula. So we know already VLOOKUP. So how to use the VLOOKUP? We already learn about it. So it is also like a VLOOKUP formula. Now we are going to give the thing. So this is the data available, salesperson, product, order ID, sales. This is the data available. You have the master data, you have the person wise, product wise, order ID and sales. Now you want to know order ID. Order ID, you know, order ID wise, who is the salesperson, who is taking care of the salesperson. Now we can use the formula. Please listen carefully. If you want to know, order ID is 127. For example, who is taking care of order ID? Your boss is asking. We have the entire data. Who is taking care of order ID 127? Who is the salesman? So if he is asking me, you can type D get formula. What is the syntax is asking? Database. This is the database. Now what do you want to know? Who is the salesperson? Who is the salesperson? One second. We can take it here. That is why we can see one by one. Dget. What is the database? This is the database. What do you want to know? What is the field? You want to know the salesperson. You have one option. As usual in VLOOKUP, we can give the column index number. First column, second column, third column. Salesperson is the first column. Now we can give the criteria. What is the criteria? Order ID equal to 127. You have to select the both. Now you can give it, you can come to know this is a formula. D get formula. So D mean database. Database, getting the database from the master data. It is also look up the database in the master data. Both are same. Okay. So D get formula. Not only salesperson, we can identify suppose 132. Now you want to know the product. So D get, we can select the database. Field. What is the field? Product is a second column. Column index number is second. What is the order ID? This is the order ID. Close the bracket. We'll get to the product is Onida. So 132 is this Onida. So this is the basic example of DGET formula. So we have used like VLOOKUP, column index number. Now we can use the next kind of DGET formula. Please listen carefully. Now you want to know the order ID is 125. Same. You want to know the salesperson. What do you want to do? Dget. What is the database? This is the database. You can type the field name. Salesperson is the first column, or you can type the title. Both are same. Now you can select the criteria. You can get it done. So 125 taking care of Rahul. You want to know the who are the product, what is the sales you want to know. You can copy paste. What is the constant thing? You can create the dollar symbol. You can fix the dollar symbol. You can copy paste. So 125 entire data has been taken. But please see friend, order ID is centrally available. Salesperson product is left side, but sales is right side. But if you are going to the VLOOKUP, it is not possible. We have to go to the right side data only. But in DGET, we can get the data like this. That is why we can use DGET formula. Okay. Now, suppose you want to have two product. You have two product. Suppose one order ID 123 is for Onida, LG and Voltas. Okay. Now the answer will be wrong. This is not a problem. Now you want to know order ID is 123, product is LG. Now you want to know the both the character. You want to get the 123 of what is the product. So we have 123 for Onida. We have one order. 123 is a one order. We have the product in one order. We have all the products. Onida also available. LG also available. Voltas also available. But the salesperson, sales value, everything different. So you want to identify. Get. What is the database? This is the database. You want to know the salesperson and sales. Now first you have to select salesperson, and then you want to know the order ID and product, both. Now both should match. So overall the person matching for both the condition, he will get the answer. Please listen carefully. Now 123 LG is here. So Rahul available in the left side, sales available in the right side. You can get the data. Suppose if you are changing instead of LG, if you are changing Voltas, you will get the different answer because Voltas is handling by Rajiv, sales is different. Suppose if you are changing the code 126, ID you are changing. So who is taking care of 126 Voltas? Naveen is taking care of 126 Voltas. So this is the D-get formula. Okay, friend. Now, every time we want to copy paste or you can use the dollar symbol, no? Instead of using this, we can use the name manager. So how to do that? I am giving another kind of example. This is the data available. Okay, this is not required now. Yes, 123 Voltas, multiple data available. Okay, now first you have to do the select the table and give the name for the table. So you can give the sales data. Okay, now you can give the name of this is sales data. Suppose if you want to give sales data, you have to select the data, go to here, you can change the name sales underscore data, sales underscore data. Okay, now you can use the name sales underscore data mean. Suppose if you type here sales underscore data mean, automatically the table has been selected. You can select here. Will 2 seconds. If you select the data, it is not working here. No problem. We can go to the formulas. Use the name manager. So we are having lot of names available already. Now we can delete all the existing name. Now we want to create one new name. What is the name available? Sales underscore data. Okay, we have created the name sales underscore data. Suppose if you are typing sales underscore data mean no typing, we have to use the formula only. Okay, now we can use the formula. Please listen carefully. Dget. Also, I am introducing one. If you want to dget formula, where is the available? So if you want to insert the function, this is another option. This is the database formula. In database, we can get dget. You can click here also. So what is the database? What is the field? What is the criteria? So this is another method of using the formula. We can use it by here or we can use it by here. Dget formula. What is the database? We already select the data underscore table, and this is the salesperson. Now we can create the table for this also. So before we start, we have to create a name for this. Go to formula, name manager, create a new name. This is a order. I can create a name for order ID. Okay. Yes, I have created both names. Now I don't want to make any dollar symbol. Dget formula. This is the database. So I have to select sales data. Automatically the data has been selected. Now what is the range? Field salesperson. Now order data, order ID. So this data has been selected. So I don't want to make any copy paste. Simply I can use the data. I can copy the formula wherever you want. This is the another kind of using of formulas. Okay friends, hope you are all enjoyed the videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for motivating us. Please subscribe the channel those who are not yet subscribed. Please click the bell icon, select the all notification. We are giving lot of new tips, new videos every day. So please use all of them. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.